A majority of our products at Old California share one characteristic. They start life as a solid sheet of brass cut on our factory's water jet machine. The resulting pieces are deburred, and then they're bent into the necessary shapes for assembly. Holes are punched for rivets, including custom rivets that we manufacture in-house. The arm for this Cobblestone Series table lamp is fashioned with a couple of precise bends to a length of brass tube, and then a cast brass hook is soldered to the end. The rivets are secured, and the body of the lamp is ready to send to our finishing department. There, the brass is stripped of oils and cleaned in preparation for a chemical finish. In this case, we'll show off our popular new Verde patina. It's applied by hand. Textures and highlights are created using brushes and sponges. Once the finish is applied and cured, the fixture receives several protective clear coats. Meanwhile, art glass is cut to the correct size and shape using a template. And then copper foil is wrapped around the edges of the glass to create a surface that can be soldered together. Then it's off to assembly, where glass is seated, bolts are locked into place, and wiring is run to any sockets. Once complete, the fixture is tested, packaged, and sent on its way to make your home beautiful.